Today in Automotive Repair, the GOAT, Wayne Gretzky, headlines AAPEX 2025's keynote breakfast. Hey there, I'm Braxton. Thanks for listening to Automotive Repair News Today, a podcast to keep you informed of what's happening in the automotive repair industry. Yes, the man, the myth, the legend, Wayne Gretzky is the keynote speaker this year at AAPEX. It's coming up November 4th through the 6th in Las Vegas, and Mark Bodansky, the marketing director of AAPEX, shares more.
We are really excited to have somebody of Wayne's caliber and history speaking at AAPEX this year. You know, he can talk about what it takes to become not one of the best, but literally the best in your industry, and be able to relay that not only about hockey, but about business, about life, about everything else. You know, he's got so many successes on the ice, off the ice, that we're just really excited to hear everything he's going to be able to have and share with our audience.
All right, so I'm not a huge hockey fan myself, but I am a pretty big sports fan, and I know enough to know Wayne Gretzky is the man. Like, basically every record that exists in hockey, Wayne Gretzky has. Won a lot of championships. It's actually funny, just a few days ago, maybe a week ago at most, his record for most goals ever in a career was actually just broken by Alex Ovechkin. He plays with the Capitals in D.C. And so outside of that goal, he holds just about everything. And I think it's so great that he is going to be the keynote speaker this year, because if you know anything about Wayne Gretzky, the little that I do, was that he wasn't the tallest, the strongest, the fastest, the most athletic. He was actually kind of a small guy, but my goodness, he was amazing at hockey. He was a hard worker. He didn't take no for an answer. He just had heart. He cared, and he wanted to win, just like a lot of professional athletes. You hear of people like Tom Brady, who had a similar story, Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan was pretty athletic, and so was Kobe. Maybe not the greatest examples, but Tom Brady, it's a great one. Like, maybe the GOAT in football was not super athletic, but just knew how to make the winning plays, and that was Wayne Gretzky. And so I think it's great because the automotive repair industry, as you know, is going through a lot of changes. EV, tariffs, ADAS, things are changing really quickly. Consolidation is happening all over the place. There's a technician shortage. There's lots of stress happening in the industry. And so Wayne Gretzky and his career really modeled where this industry is, but also could be and needs to be. So it's fantastic, I think, that AAPEX is having Wayne Gretzky come speak. And I want to say this too. So AAPEX is a growing conference. It's actually recognized as one of the fastest growing conferences in the world. Last year, I was there for the first time. The event had over 45,000 people from over 128 countries, nearly 2,700 exhibitors from 46 countries, and 1,300 media members, influencers, and other registered media representatives. So this conference is growing, and you kind of got to be a big deal to get somebody like Wayne Gretzky. But if you've not registered yet, it's because registration isn't open. If you've not gone to AAPEX, you need to try and find a way to go this year. Again, it's happening November 4th through the 6th in Las Vegas, and registration is expected to open later this spring. Maybe in a month or so it'll be open. But if I was you, I'd go ahead and try to get that done, taken care of. It is going to be cheaper there at the beginning, right when it opens up. Prices will go up at some point. Don't know all those details yet, but go ahead, get your hotel booked, flight booked while things are cheaper, and before you put it off and you don't go. It's going to be a great time at AAPEX 2025. And also, the keynote breakfast is 6:30 a.m. Tuesday, November 4th, to hear Wayne Gretzky. It is an early start. It's at the Venetian Hotel, the Palazzo Ballroom. So go ahead and just make plans to get up super early that morning to go get some breakfast and hear from a panel discussion with Wayne Gretzky and to hear part of his story and how I think it really applies to the automotive repair industry and what kind of takeaways that he may have. By the way, yesterday, Wayne Gretzky was on CBS News, and he said, I was always the smallest guy, right? So I had to figure out a way to be able to be more successful than those bigger, stronger, faster guys. My strength was my mind. So what's this industry going to use its mind, its recession-proof, quote unquote? Is it recession-proof? What will Wayne Gretzky have to say? We'll find out coming up later this year in November at AAPEX 2025. Thanks for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. Hey, if you're still here, thank you so much for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. If you enjoyed the show, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe to the podcast. That'll help us out a big deal and help grow the show. And you know what? While you're at it, slap on a review too if you feel like this content is helpful for the industry. Don't forget to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. We're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Stay connected and be the first to know about new episodes, behind-the-scene content, and more. And until next time, let's make the industry better together.